Hello my beautiful people, welcome to my channel. This video today I am showing you how I did those mini twists. It was very easy, and I am going to try my best to show you details how to cornrow, how to braid the hair. Be with me, and this video was a highly requested video. Please like, share and subscribe. Let me know how this video was helpful. I am going to show you what I used to make this style happen. It's not a lot, just my hair was freshly washed. One tip to get really good braids is to make sure your hair is fully detangled. So let's follow along with me, and let me know if you have any questions. Oh, and guys, another thing, my hair was freshly washed. I let it air dry for a little bit, for about 2 hours before I start those braids, because it's easier for me to do them if it's like a little bit dry. remember, if this is the first time you're trying to braid your hair, it might be difficult. You're probably gonna want to stop, but keep going, and keep trying. You will get it. We all went through the same process when we start learning new skills. gonna put some oil in my scalp. Yes.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.
Alright, it is done. I think I did really well. My arm did hurt a little bit, but that's okay. I took my time and it took me, I think it says 42 minutes, but that's me stopping because I'm also doing laundry at the same time, stopping, switching the clothes from the washer to the dryer. Anyway, so it might take a little bit, especially if it's the first time you're doing it, so it might take longer, but this is the style I'm gonna be wearing for the week, and then I'll probably turn it to like a braid out for the next week. I love it. I'm gonna style it for the week for work, but it looks good. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. I appreciate your support. Bye.